Add pipe 200-B-4 to the 3D view. Display the Modify Components form. Select all of the elements on the form. Change the specification for the pipe, branch and components to A1A. Expanding the form and the columns allows the user to see details of the intended changes, for example, the new component description. The flanges and gaskets at the head and tail have been changed to the 150 rating. This needs to be corrected to maintain the connectivity with the connected equipment nozzle. The selection only needs to be made once for both the flange and gasket if the Apply Changes to Like Components checkbox is checked. Click the Apply button to commit the changes. The components from the selected specification will now be listed on the form. Perform a save work.